If you're looking for dog toys ball launcher, here's a collection you've got to see. Pets lovers' most popular dog toys ball launcher. Number 1, most popular, by Canine Hardware. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, another great product by Canine Hardware. Number 3, by Chuckit. For more dog toys ball launcher, just click this circle. Number 4, by iFetch. Number 5, by PetSafe. Find these dog toys ball launcher at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by iFetch. Number 7, by Canine Hardware. Click the circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Nerf Dog. Number 9, by Couch Potato. Discover more dog toys ball launcher ideas and items to explore, click the circle. Number 10, by Snug.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.